Today I am going to show you how to open Excel in separate two windows. Here I have one Excel file and another Excel file. When I open Excel 1, it's open perfectly, it's fine. When I open Excel number 2, it opens the same window. So there is no two windows. Here I can see only Excel number 2. So if I go to View tab and switch window, I can find Excel number 1. So again I can move to Excel number 2, but I need to separate the window for Excel number 1 and Excel number 2. For that I can go to File and Office tab and tap for Excel option and remove the single window mode, click and OK. Let's see what's happened. Okay, Excel number 1 opens, Excel number 2 opens in a separate window. That's all for today.